sister's car.
Yeah, I know. We could see inside the car and we just hear school books and a hat and everything. So we contacted the airport police and they come and the car was locked, but they tried the trunk and the trunk was open. They said, well, we fully expected Linda to be in there, and she wasn't.
Don claims that he saw Linda with another man days after her disappearance. He says that she drove past him in a van and quickly ducked out of sight.
Hey!
Jesper's the only one played.
5 years later, when the skull was discovered at the
Yeah, the
restaurant,
chicken
no
chips
one
that
even
just
thought
there.
of Linda.
Sitting there eating, and she looked out and saw a skull looking right at her.
In a bizarre coincidence, the restaurant was one of Don's favorite hangouts.
I was at the restaurant that evening after the skull had been found. I'd heard about it that day when it happened, but never had any connection to it until later on.
No one made a connection until a year later when the mysterious letter arrived at the Veneta Park police station.
I was rather